The Keychron V6 wired custom mechanical keyboard is an impressive piece of hardware, offering a unique and highly customizable typing experience. With its hot-swappable Keychron K Pro brown switches, you can easily change the feel and sound of your keystrokes to suit your preferences. The full-size layout provides a comfortable and familiar typing experience, and the QMK via programmability allows for endless customization options. This keyboard is a dream come true for typists and gamers alike. The macro functionality is a game changer, allowing you to assign complex commands and actions to single keys, streamlining your workflow and giving you an edge in-game. The brown switches offer a nice tactile feedback, providing a satisfying typing experience without being too loud. One of the standout features is its compatibility with multiple operating systems, including Mac, Windows, and Linux. This makes it an excellent choice for those who work across different platforms or have a diverse tech setup. The black, non-transparent design gives it a sleek and professional look, making it a great addition to any workspace. The build quality is top-notch, with a sturdy construction that ensures durability. The keyboard feels solid and well-made, inspiring confidence in its long-term performance. The keycaps are also of high quality, providing a nice texture and ensuring a comfortable typing experience even during long sessions. Overall, the Keychron V6 is an exceptional keyboard that offers a perfect blend of customization, performance, and compatibility. Whether you're a writer, a programmer, or a gamer, this keyboard has the potential to enhance your productivity and overall experience. It's a must-have for anyone seeking a truly personalized typing solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.